How to open blocked Payoneer account. So if you want to open a blocked Payoneer account, then first you just need to open up a browser. So I'll be here with a browser. Once you open your browser, you just need to go for the search and search for payoneer.com. And once you're here on the payoneer.com, it will take you to the sign in page. And under sign in page, if you're facing a problem, then you just need to go for contact us, which is on the bottom of your screen. Click on contact us. Once you tap on contact us, it will ask you to sign into your account. So simply sign in, and you need to enter account blocked under this blank and then hit the enter. Once you hit the enter, you will have why my account was closed or why was my account closed on the first option. Tap on that option, and once you tap on that option here, it will give you all of the reasons for which your account has been closed. So the first is it has been inactive for more than 6 months. So if your account has been inactive for more than 6 months, your account will be closed. Or if you're under the age of 18, then your account will be closed. Or if you are from a restricted country, then your account will be closed. Or if you have attempted to register with mismatching details, then it will be closed. And if you are already have an account, so if you already have an account, you can't apply for the next or the other account. And account security was breached, and you or your account activity does not comply with the terms and conditions. These were the reasons why your account has been closed. So what you need to do is simply scroll down and go for contact us. Once you tap on contact us, it will take you to the contact customer care. And under that, you need to enter the selected language. Enter the language, enter the first name, last name, and enter the email address and enter the topic. So under the topic, you can select the topic My Payoneer account, and then you need to enter the question or comment. So you can also take some screenshots on your laptop or your PC in which you are facing the problem, and you can also upload the attachments. Click on choose file and then you can upload. And under the description, you need to write that I'm not being able to do this and this, or my account has been logged and I'm not being able to use my account. So please help me with that problem. And once you entered your problem, you need to click on I'm not a robot, verify, and then click on submit. Once you've submitted, customer care will contact you within 24 hours. So that's how you can fix it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.